For beauty and wellness professionals, success is not just about where you work, it's about how you grow. Building your own business can be exciting, but it can also feel overwhelming. Most salon suites hand you the keys and leave you to figure it out on your own. At the Sweet House, we do things differently. We don't just provide a space, we set you up for success. This isn't just another salon. This is a business hub designed for independent professionals who want more. You keep 100% of what you earn, set your own prices, and build your brand on your terms. And we go beyond just offering a space. Every professional at the Sweet House gets access to free business support, including website development, accounting, professional photography, business startup, and ongoing business support. We're invested in helping you succeed long-term. Designed with high-end finishes, sound-insulated walls, and all-inclusive pricing, the Sweet House is more than just a workspace. It's a foundation for your success. We believe independent professionals deserve more than just a room to work in. They deserve a place where their business can thrive. Welcome to the Sweet House, where we provide you everything you need to start and grow your business.